Musamseleku takes advantage of Makumalo's kindness. You understand? And now he says Makumalo, she had been changed. Yes, Makumalo, she changed, guys. It's not Makumalo that we know. It's not Makumalo that we know. Because now she opened her eyes and saw that, and she have got friends. And friends can tell you guys that that man is not in love with you. You understand? Because their life is in on TV. We can saw that on TV. You understand? Because that day he introduces the 50th wife. You understand? After introduces the 50th wife, he goes and check all Macele. He left with Macele. You understand? After left him with Macele, and he goes and check Mangwabe. Mangwabe, she is okay or what? After checking Mangwabe, he goes to Mayeni's house, and Mayeni, she was not there. After checking that Mayeni, she is not there, he wants to cry because of Mayeni. You understand? And says that Makumalo, she is not talking about living. You understand? But that person, he doesn't care about Makumalo. She is not okay. And all the people saw that Musamseleku doesn't love Makumalo. And your friends, Makumalo's friends now, they can tell you that that man, he doesn't care about you. You understand? Because everyone, guys, saw that Musamseleku doesn't care about Makumalo that day. Because he checked all the wives, 3 of them. You understand? He left only Makumalo. Says that Makumalo, she is okay. Guys, he doesn't care about Makumalo's feelings because, guys, when a person is quiet, doesn't mean that person is not hurt. You understand? That person is not hurt. No, you can take care of that person because when a person that person is quiet, doesn't mean it's not hurt. Because he checked all the wives, Macele, Macele, Mayeni, Mangwabe. You understand? Makumalo, he doesn't check only Makumalo. You understand? That Musamseleku takes advantage of Makumalo's kindness. That's why Makumalo, she changed, guys. Even the way she can talk to Musamseleku, you can show that Makumalo, she doesn't not in love with Musamseleku. You understand? Yes, because Makumalo built that house at Muzumbe. That house is for Makumalo. You understand? Makumalo built that house with her hands. Makumalo, she is not going anywhere because Makumalo built Museleku's business. You understand? Museleku's business are now successful because of Makumalo. She is not going anywhere. Makumalo.